Hey guys, it's Y33 Cima here from Instagram. This video is going to be for my dash cluster. As everyone knows, I've modified it and changed the color from the stock color, which was like a dirty white, to a green like color, green LEDs. And at the moment, I'm not sure if you can see because it's so bright, but it's flickering on that corner. There's a bulb there that does that corner, but it's got a loose connection, so it is flickering. It was flickering. There we go. You can see it's flickering there now. So I've got to take it out, and I thought it would be a good time to show people how to change their LED clusters. This works on various Nissans. I've had S14s, S13s, but it's basically the same process, and I'll break down step by step. But basically you need, it's only from memory, no, not from memory, but from practical use, it's a Phillips head screwdriver. That's all you need, and I'll show you the spots where you need to use them. Alright, so starting off, we've got the steering wheel and we've got the surrounding, like there's two plastic parts, and you can see there's screw holes. Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So just get a Phillips head and we're gonna undo them. Alright, so I eventually got the other two out of it. So now it's free. Let me just zoom in. Actually, I will do this one-handed. But now there's two sections. You can see there's the bottom section there, bottom section and the top section. So there's a little like grip, I would say. It's just here. You just pull it back and just you pull that out and just put that on the side. All right, this next section, we're gonna have to unbolt 2 more holes. On the top of this dash, there's one there and there's one there. So it's the same Phillips head. So you're gonna, it's really bright, so it's hard to see, but trust me, it's there. Let me just get it first. Where is it? There we go. So they look like this. Can you see it? They're these ones here. So that's the first one off. And now I just have to get the second one. They're on each side. You gotta feel it basically. Let me just pause this and I'll get it. All right, I got it now. Just took a while to feel out for it. Okay, that's out. And now we can pull this surrounding. There's like a bezel. Let me just zoom out. There we go. Let me just tilt this. This is kind of hard to show. There's a bezel here, but you pull it down and it flicks up, and then you pull this back, and it helps if you put down your steering wheel to gain more clearance. It's already down. Flip it down. Oh, it's a bit tight here, but and then you shimmy it past and it comes out. Okay, and now, so my video stopped recording for some reason, but what I did was I undid that bolt there, and there's 2 more. So there's one there and that black one right there. So let me just undo that and I'll just hit the pause button. All right, so I've undone those bolts, and then you basically flip it over, and it's going to be apparent which one it is because on my car it's got pink. So these pink dots, they're the ones, you can see that one there, there's one there. they're the ones that light up the dash. So there's one there, 1, 2, 2, 3. And the problem I have is this one here, 4. So they're T5, so it's this style one. So I will get my globes and I'll show you. So this is what I ordered from AliExpress. There's so many brands out there, but it's T5. I got green, so I'll show you how to do it. So this is the problem one. So you just, I'm going to do this. I'll try this. Here we go. So you take it out, put it to the side, get a new one. I'm going to essentially plug it back in, make sure it works, doesn't flicker. So plug it back in, and then go to the area where it was. Now let me zoom in here. It's there, and then it's kind of dark, you can't really see, but I'm just screwing it back in. It's just a twist and pull. There we go, it's on. Let me just flip this. Turn my lights on. Now see how that one's dead? It's all green there. It's dead. That means I gotta pull it back out and put it in the right direction. So let me just do that quickly. So I just twist it and change it the direction 180 degrees, flip it, and you can see it just lit up then. There we go. And we're gonna see if it flickers or not. It doesn't look like it's flickering. So it might have been a loose connection. It's hard to say what the issue was, but yeah, it might have been, yeah, I can't really say without getting my multimeter out, but I have like 10 others. So it's just an easy fix, 5-minute job, and it doesn't look like it's flickering anymore. So it looks like it's fixed the issue. But yeah, that's how you replace your dash. And basically you just do everything in reverse when I took it out. So remember, it's the 4 bolts, the 4 screws on the bottom of this. Then you pull it like that, pops out. Then it's those 2 bolts up there. I'm not sure if you can see that. Yep, those 2 there. And then it's these 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can shift it downwards, like angle it. And then you have access to those T5 bulbs with the pink markings on my car. I'm not sure if it's the same in your car, but those 4. And then you swap it out to whichever LED color you want. Swap them out, make sure it turns on, make sure it doesn't flicker before you bolt everything back up. And then you install everything in reverse. And that's how you install the other LEDs. And I've done, out of curiosity, if you guys want to know, I've done those. Those are T3, they're smaller, and that's a T10. You have to take out the whole center, but it's pretty easy. It's Nissan, so you just start taking stuff apart, and that's how you do it. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.